So how to find the prime factors of 160? So all you have to do is start dividing 160 by the smallest prime, which is 2. So since 160 is even number, it is divisible by 2. So 160 divided by 2 is 80. Then keep on doing that. So 80 is divisible by 2, and that is 40. Then 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then 20 divided by 2 is 10. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So since 5 is another prime number, so we are going to stop to that. So the prime factors of 160 are these. So 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2 plus 5, including 5. So the prime factors of 160 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 5. So if we write these prime factors into index form, so it is therefore 160 is equal to 2 to the 5th power times 5. Okay, that's it. Bye.